When we lose someone, we all wish for the same thing. More time. If only we had one more day together, we'd say all the things we never did, or never could. When my mom and dad died, they left me with more mysteries than memories. I didn't really know who they were because they never told me, and I never asked. So I went back home, hoping to find the truth, the immigrant stories, the missing childhoods, the love and the loss. But the two people who had all the answers were gone. I had to bring them back. Every family has a story. Ours might be like yours. We had ups and downs, good times and bad, and I knew my parents loved me. But that's all I knew. My mother and father buried the rest. There was too much pain in their past, too much darkness, something back there they couldn't talk about, something they shut away for our own good. That pain divided my mom and dad, robbed them of the connection they once had, and left a hole in their hearts. As a kid, I did my best to make them happy. I still don't know if it was enough. It's been said all lives once lived are fiction. If that's true, it'll give me the time I wished for. A chance to be with my parents again. A chance to talk to them. A chance to listen. Then I'll understand my mother and father like I should have years ago. Then I'll get to know them. Then I'll find the truth. And if I can do all that, then maybe I'll find myself too.